all set for this 10-round fight. Martin throwing the first jab. The jab. Ting na kung kakausapin mo at improve ang kanyang right jab. Na may lakas pero kulang sa timing yung kanyang very potent weapon na nagdala Oscar De La Hoya. Panood ko yung mga dating laban ni Gabriel Flash Elorde sa paggamit sa kanyang right hook. Right, wearing white trunks. Makikita niyo naman si Trunks, is coming off a long layoff actually. Itong si karoon po ng injury sa kanyang dibdib. He was supposed to injury ay napuwersang magbakasyon. And in talking with Carl, merong gigil pero he was able to learn. He admitted na nangapa siya ron at medyo kinalaway. Na-try nilang makorek dito para pagdating sa laban ay yun nga. And Oscar, nitong si Oscar Dugue ang hinahabol nila para na rin masukat, not only the timing, maganda rin yung bob and weaving nitong si Oscar Dugue. A good right! Pinatama konting aksyon ng first round. Ang atake. We would like to think ng warm-up, kasi sabi nga po na sumusubaybay ng career ni mahaba-haba yung kanyang bakasyon because of an injury. Mahirap long layoff tapos meron kang injury. Pero huwag kayong magulat kung biglang mag-southpaw stance ito. Kasi merong ganun rin minsan ng kaliwa itong si Oscar Dugue. Good. Sa mga previous fights, si Oscar Dugue mas aktibo sa offense. Makikita mo, may galaw, itong si Oscar Dugue. Oh, good. Jab straight. First round is enough para sa kanila. Good body shot by Carl James Martin. Isang magandang kanan from as compared sa first round tawan, pero sabi na po natin si Oscar Dugue, Carl James Martin, tumama ng now Dugue being more active, ganun din ginawa niya, parang nagpapawis lang ng first round. So back and forth action into the last 10 seconds of the second round. Body shot by Carl James, scheduled for 10. Carl James Martin hindi masyadong nag-aaksaya ng panahon. The Philippines against Oscar Nia. Ang gandang kombinasyon, balik agad sa ring. And so far so good in terms of maganda yung mga patama ni Martin sa katawan, pero bumabalik itong si Oscar Dugue. Warning of both fighters. Oh, good counter left from Oscar Dugue. Comparing this Tanzania dun sa kanyang kababa, Charles Tondo mukhang mas may depensa at marunong kumounter katulad nun. That was a count. And Dugue, much better round habang tumatagal ang James Martin. Kita nyo yung depensa na yun ni Oscar Dugue, at Oscar Dugue living up to yung magandang depensa, at mayroong pampabaon na kanan from Oscar Dugue. Carl James Martin. Pakiganda ritong pinapakita ni Oscar Dugue. Biglang may lusot na kanan from 5 losses. Yung dahilan kung bakit siya kinuha ng camp ni Carl James Martin of a fight scheduled for 10. Carl James Martin against Oscar Dugue. And mukhang yung jab ni Tin, hindi pa rin natin masasabi na effective dito. Sa snap, yung suntok ni Martin. Good uppercut. Nag-i-improve na yung kanyang timing. At ang maganda rito, at least dito nabibigyan siya ng ibang klaseng style ni Oscar Dugue. Si Oscar Dugue pumapasok, minsan dumidistansya. So kita niyo naman yung pawis. Distance siya rito sa pinapakita ni Oscar Dugue. In terms of at least mapapag-aralan dito ni Martin yung mga klase ng mga suntok na campaign abroad after this fight. Pero sabi ni Oscar, now that plano nga po nila na punta rito ni Oscar Dugue. A good right-left combo from Carl Dugue. Relax ka lang, brother. Nandito pa ako. Jump straight. At mukhang nasaktan si Oscar Dugue. But body shot. Counter left from Carl James Martin. Still showing a lot of toughness. Oscar Dugue. Pinapagpag lang ni Oscar Dugue. Taking a lot of punishment from Carl James Martin. Playing mind games na Carl Martin para makakita rin ng opening. Third round encounter, fifth round. Cooperative production group. Ito, very professional. Trying to break the defense of Carl Hammes for offensive attack, yung kanyang activity. But style-wise, I think yun ang problema rin Hammes Martin. If ever, no? Kung meron mga mas maganda yung bob and weave, maganda yung pati sa katawan. Tulad niya, bumoto ng nadepensa naman ni Oscar Dugue. And Oscar Dugue attacking Carl Hammes. He's trying to open up yung depensa. At usually yan, walang depensa dyan eh. Nakakapigil dun. Oh, good right in. And probably yung condition itong Oscar Dugue, makikita mo sa katawan, nag-ensayo. No? And he kept himself in shape. Nag-i-ensayo. Oh, good right from Oscar Dugue. Another right. I think he's able to hurt si Carl Hammes. Siguro kung tatama pa na isa, siya pailing doon si Carl Hammes Martin. He knew na tinamaan siya. You know, whatever wala kanina, I don't think nagkikreate siya na ba, tinatamaan ako Yan sa ni Carl Hammes Martin. Oh, good left hook. Body shot by and Martin being aggressive. Inaatake niya itong si Oscar. Parehong kamay nakaangat. Body shot by Carl Hammes Martin. Now Martin going all out. Martin trying to finish this bout. Oscar Dugue fighting back. Si Oscar Dugue still defend. Martin with a jab and a looping left. But perhaps, no, sinasabi nga po natin, walang masyado suntok ni Oscar Dugue. Kaya inaatake na ni Carl Hammes Martin. Natin I think perhaps realizing na kaya niya yung suntok ni Oscar Dugue. Katulad doon, isang kanan rather. Meron na tayong nakikitang konting maga sa left ni Oscar Dugue. At least yung mga napapanood natin, mas Martin, pero makikita mo si Oscar Dugue. Hindi total backpedal no? Yung mga kaibigan natin sa Trophy C room inside the Lourdes Sports Complex. Oy, tumama ron si Oscar Dugue. The promoters. Bati na natin lahat. Gabriel Bebot Elorde, Boss Johnny Elorde, and Miss Liza. Maraming question marks at Carl Hammes Martin. Na nila, no, if ever matapos ito ng ganito hanggang 10 round in, he's been dominating this fight. Si Oscar Dugue Martin, in some ways nakakayanan din. Training pa, pinatama ni Oscar Dugue, pawi naman ng kanan. Oscar Dugue, last 10 seconds. About scheduled for 10. Dennis Principe live mula po rito sa Lourdes Sports Complex. Sabi nga po natin, yung suntok niya kaya rin gumagawa ng or nagkakaroon ng lakas ng loob si Dugue na if ever pakinabang dito si Carl Hammes Martin, probably. And again, balikan ko lang yung sinisang napala rito napapala ni Carl up to this point. Ayun, pinagpawisan siya. Pwedeng dito napapagpag niya na. Medyo kung meron mang kalawang, yung timing parating nandun, yung lakas parating nandun. Masasabi natin na talagang supposedly may power itong si Carl. Tough assignment in terms of him. Oscar Dugue. Up to this point, hindi pa natin masabi na nasasaktan niya si Oscar Dugue because good 1-2 there by yung kanyang opensa aktibo naman. Marami siya mga patak. At yung kanyang bounce nandun, yung kanyang team coach Mel Lantin ng Fit 21. Kining masasabi natin A1 from Tanzania. At least masasabi na sumihiga. Dito nagbibigay siya ng problema kay Carl James Martin. James Martin, happy ba siya sa kanyang ginagalaw dito? So maraming pwedeng pag-aralan dito. James Martin, oh, good body shot. Good combination sa muka. And Carl James Martin, bigwas sa counter itong si Oscar Dugue. To work on that counter. Malakas pero hindi tumatama. Ming. Tama sa katawan, but ang tanong is, tama ba yung timing? Yun ang tanong doon. After getting some punishment kay Carl James Martin ay pumapasok. Nice left, Martin. Now, Carl James Martin attacking the body. Dugue. Martin going. And Martin. Sabi natin na all 10th and final round. Carl James Martin. Marito si Martin in terms of notching. Tingin ko maraming dapat i-assess. Conditioning, I think walang problema. No? It's obvious na 8-month layoff. Yun na lang siguro pwedeng isipin. Ano? Dala ng bakasyon, kaya yung timing. So the guidance of yung kanyang meron din itong nutritionist, si Coach Jolly. Actually, ni Carl James Martin, si Coach Jolly from Ifugao. Oh, yun si Carl James Martin, a good left jab. Aralan ni Carl James Martin. Ano? Yung mga ganong patama, siguro if kaharap niya is isang rated na mech and not take anyone for granted. He took Oscar Dugue for granted, but alaman niya, masasabi niya na wala kang inuhin, no, na boksingero. Katulad mo, gusto rin manalo ng knockout. And that's the end of the fight.
One all to the winner by unanimous decision, undefeated, Carl James, the Wonder Boy.